Go up where?
To what you call it? Flip this back window down.
Dude, I forgot how to use this camera. I'm so serious. Ooh. Nice to have a camera with zoom feature.
Oh, instead of the E?
Yeah. It's gonna look completely different soon.
It's starting to look mean, bro.
Yep. Way to ruin the shot, asshole. JK. So apparently I didn't just forget how to use this camera, but I can't drive anymore either. Past couple days I've been on the verge of death, battling a little sinus infection and all that good stuff, but we're here. We're about to put some new wheels on the C63. It already has a few mods done so far. Got the lip and the rear diffuser that you guys haven't seen yet, so after we put the wheels on and all that, we'll, you know, do a nice little montage or something, let you guys see everything and we'll walk you through it. But let's go put them on. New Avant Garde wheels. Because they're like black. Yeah, that'll be weird. Gosh, we're not even gonna make it to the tire shop. 1 mile range. Man, I'm just really messing up today. Guess the moral of the story is just don't get sick, guys. So everything gets thrown off after you start making a recovery. But yeah, pumping gas now. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize because I know I sound like absolute shit. And the AMG is behind me making a lot of noise, so you probably can't hear me. But yeah, we're here, so I'm gonna find a parking and then we'll get these wheels on and see what it looks like. It's gonna be sick. I already know it. Ooh, doing this with one hand is not a good idea. By the way, this is the rear diffuser we put on. We actually installed it ourselves in the garage. But yeah, I think it looks good, doesn't it? Full carbon. And also full carbon front lip. Looks good. But yeah, the stock wheels will be no more soon. Here's another look at the wheels. They are candy red right now. Looks good, but we're thinking of possible other colors. So leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the wheel color. Yeah, the candy red is cool, but you know, if you guys have any suggestions, could do like a graphite gray, like I said, or an alloy, or the straight up blacked out mob look that I'm probably gonna do with my Porsche with black wheels, or I don't know, something weird like vintage gold. So yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels and give us some color options. Going to check out the wheels. Bye-bye to the stocks. at least until next winter. How you want it. What you think?
Sick, bro.
Yeah.
Sick.
I like it too. It's a lot of red, but it actually looks really good in person, to be honest. But like I said, might keep it red, might do something else. Looks good though. Now that we got the wheels on, you know it wouldn't be right if we didn't hit you with a montage. FreeBaff style.
Yeah. I don't know why chick mentioned my name, but devil man's trying to get attention again. Told you before, this year is the year of the real fakes. They can get left in the rain. Think cause I'm up there sitting on the plane that I can't really hear what the people are saying, but I can hear everything loud and clear, and they're telling me to tell you to stay in your lane. Lord of the mics, fam, I could have clashed any man, but I said fam, let me catch devil man. Cause if man taking the 0121 star Birmingham and gone clear like Evian. But since then man I can't hear ya. Real gramming singing that they won't go near ya, and you would get a full mile from Denjon Vincent if you do a show in your area. And when you talk about 012, I know some serious people in some serious places. I saw your setting is basic. You try fake it.